Yes, it is normal for you to upload videos even without views, especially when you're new to YouTube. Hey guys, today I want to talk about reasons why you should not start a YouTube channel if you're not going to do these 4 necessary things on your YouTube channel. I was asked, Father Joe, how can I start a successful YouTube channel? Yes, and when I reply, some people say, it's not easy to be uploading content consistently. Yes, then why do you want to start a YouTube channel? You're not going to, upload videos. You're not going to communicate with your fans. You're not going to comment. You're not going to reply. You're not going to tell them to ask you a question. Then why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Because if you start a YouTube channel and you're not responding to your fans, you might, go stuck on a way, or your channel might lose views, subscribers, or something just happened to your channel. Yes. You might ask, so what is the thing that can easily happen to your channel? Yes, you might lose your members, either your fans or people who join your channel. Your members are those who subscribe to your channel. Then, if you cannot do it, then why do you want to start a YouTube channel? The second thing that I have to share with you guys is uploading consistently. Publish consistently. Yes, I was asked. I keep on uploading videos. I keep on posting videos, but no views, no subscribers. Yes, it is normal for you to upload videos even without views, especially when you're new to YouTube. Yes, this happens especially when you're new to YouTube, when you don't have a lot of fans. But I really recommend you to keep publishing videos. If you know that you will get into this platform without publishing videos consistently, then why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Because publishing video consistently will make your viewers interact with you as a creator. So if you don't want to upload video consistently, why do you want to create a YouTube channel? Then the next thing that I have to share with you guys is making your video look mature enough. Yes, you look at people who post videos like, you understand when a video is no editing, you just upload a video with no editing. The video is like, just raw file. You upload a video just raw without editing. Then if you're a content creator who tries to do such without you editing your video, making your video look professional, and you want to blow up, it can't work that way. Then why do you want to start a YouTube channel? I must make your video outstanding. Did I just say must? Yes, I say must because when your video is outstanding, people will watch your content, then that is the way you take to blow up in no time. Try this out and thanks me later, because I want you to start a successful YouTube channel. I want you to monetize your content. I want you to make money from your content. You produce a content, you have to earn from it. So if you don't know how to produce a perfect content, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Give me a comment. Make sure you drop your comment. I will answer you. I'll make sure that I train you in a perfect way. I'll make sure that I teach you how you can grow your YouTube channel. I will teach you how you can create a YouTube channel and start making money from it. Yes. So do this, guys. Let me know in the comment section, because I want you to start creating your own YouTube channel. Make sure when you create your channel, you'll be uploading content, because I want you to success. I want success to locate you. So try this out and text me later. Make sure you comment in the comment section. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Guys, ask me a question. So guys, see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye-bye. Till the next one coming up very soon.